So, in the previous episode, you have seen how your vehicle is being serviced here at VAuG. But aside from that, VAuG has over 30 years of experience in accident repair. Hi, I'm James here, the workshop manager at VAuG. In this episode, let me show you how you can be assured that we can repair your vehicle to be as good as new. Now, I dare say when it comes to accident repair, with over 30 years in the business, VAuG is definitely one of the best in the business. Not only are we skilled in what we do, we have also established a lot of trust in our client. Just look at these reviews. Now, before I show you what we can do, first, know that we are the authorized workshop for this insurance. This means that this insurance company entrusts their policyholder to repair the vehicle here at VAuG. It goes to show that we are definitely not one of those shady workshops. Let me now take you to look at the various repair process that we will do. The first thing we do is to evaluate the vehicle damage and determine who's at liability for the collision. Secondly, we shall then start the repair process and carry out any necessary chassis maintenance or structural augmentation, like sanding the area that's getting ready to be pulled and sanding it till the dents feels right. New original parts will also be used to replace any damaged parts. Third, your car will be washed and the interior will be cleaned to get rid of any dirt or metal dust after the PUT work. The damaged area of the car is then given a fresh coat of paint and the paint will be repolished for a greater shine. The car will then undergo a quality inspection to ensure that all systems are functioning correctly, followed by a test drive to see if everything is running smoothly. When we are finished with the repair, your vehicle will be as good as new. Oh, by the way, do you know that for third-party claims, you can even potentially get a replacement vehicle during the repair period? So, you can see now how I dare to say that we are one of the best workshops in Singapore, backed by insurers who have appointed us as their authorized workshop and trusted by the tens of thousands of satisfied customers over 3 decades. We are confident in repairing your vehicle to your satisfaction. So once again, my name is James. Do like, subscribe, or even comment on what you see in this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!